Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. We're doing another project here. This one's not really big, but it's really long. It's 82 inches, and this is 2-inch redwood, it was actually 2x6s that I laminated together and got a really nice seam. Can't hardly even see the seam. And I'm going to put in the description, or not in the description, I'm going to put in the captions right here some videos to go watch on laminating this boards, how I do that, glue them together. I don't use biscuits or dowels or anything like that. Glue works just fine for me. And this is actually for a previous customer, and I did a video not too long ago where I had to cut off the end and then I glued and pocket hole screwed onto the other end. It was an address change. Anyway, so this is actually for the same customer, and he ordered this like 1st of December, so I'm like way behind on it. But fortunately, he's really a cool guy, and he's waiting for it. So anyway, I got to get it done. So I went ahead and did the layout. I didn't do the layout on camera or the lamination, of course. I wanted to get right into the carving. So we'll be right back, and I'll set up and we'll start carving this thing. All right, guys, so we have got the profile bit in. I've got it set right around 1/4 inch. These are our Western layout letters, by the way. 6 inches on the big ones, 4 3/4 inch on the smaller ones. That's what the customer requested. Kind of match what I've done in the past. So let's get into it. Oops, I need to close that up.
You had your beanie on before.
Yeah, I had my beanie on with it before. Got some light going on here.
Got some pigs squawking in the back here.
Yeah, pigs are making their rounds. It's actually almost like spring weather out here. All right. Oops, I don't like that. That's better. Here we go. guys. Well, I think you can get an idea what I'm doing here. I got a bunch more letters to do, but I want to try and get this all done in one video. So I'm going to do the rest of these letters off camera. Then we're going to come back and we'll do the background. All right, folks. So we now are moving on. We got all of the profiling done on these big letters on this El Rancho sign. So now I've got the in my little Bosch motor router, I've got the 90-degree V-groove. I've got it set at a full 1/4 of an inch. I could use a bigger router bit for this, a bigger 90-degree V-groove, but it's not all that much. It's just long. So it'll take me a little bit longer, but I've got, with a bit this size, I've got less chance of bumping into one of those letters without doing a bigger line around these letters. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do, full 1/4 of an inch. So let's get it going. All right, I actually have it plugged in this time. That's good. Should have some light. All right, here we go. right, guys and gals, that is how I do my background. That's my standard background. If you guys go back and watch that, it's a little faster because I generally like speed it up twice the speed. But just remember, keep your circular motions, at least if you want to do it the way I do it, keep your circular motions nice and tight. If you make them too big, that's okay. You can go back and kind of clean them up. But if you make them too small, then you end up kind of losing that textured look. So it takes a while to kind of get the hang of it. But that's actually my favorite background. And it's a little bit of a workout. So I've got about another, 5 feet to do here. But I'm going to do that off camera. And this is the last scene. I thought I was going to be able to do this all in one video. But we still got the edging to do, the corners, the spraying, the sanding. So I'm going to run this over for another video. So the next video will be finishing this thing up. I got to put a finish on it too. So anyway, that is it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions on this, please email me, eric@makeawoodsign.com. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love for you to subscribe. And when you do subscribe, click that little bell icon because we do 4 new videos every week. And we'd love for you guys to catch them all and not miss anything. So that is it for now, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We love you, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.